Hey everyone, I want to talk to you real quick about the difference in your commercial or professional grade pre-emergent products and the stuff that you just buy off the shelf, the homeowner grade stuff. Right here I've got 3 of the most commonly used professional grade products. You got simazine, prodiamine, and spectacle flow. There's more than this, but these are the ones that you're going to see most often used by lawn care companies. We currently use spectacle flow, but we've used all of these in the past. So the primary difference between these products and the residential grade products is going to be the residual and the timing of the applications. Your residential grade products are only going to give you about a 3-month residual, whereas these, depending on how they're mixed, it's going to be anywhere from 3 to 9 months. The spectacle flow gives you a 9-month residual, and that's why we use it. That's the whole reason why we use it, because you don't have near as many gaps in coverage. The longer the residual, the fewer gaps in coverage you have. There's not going to be any time where you don't have a barrier of pre-emergent on your lawn that's killing those weeds as they germinate. So that's the first reason. The other one is the timing of the application, which is very related, but the timing of the application on your residential side has to be prior to the weeds germinating. Any weeds that have already germinated by the time you put out your residential grade pre-emergent are not going to be killed at all. So you have to get them before they germinate. With the professional grade products, they actually act as a post-emergent somewhat, and even after some of these weeds have germinated, if you apply these products, it will still kill them at the early stage of their life. So it really it works better, and it has a longer residual, thus you get better results from it, and that's why professionals use these products. So the one thing that maybe a lot of lawn care companies don't want you to know is anybody can buy these products. They're not just sold to professionals. Anybody can use them. The problem is they come in this liquid form, and that's the best way to put them out. You don't get all of the full effect of these products unless you use a liquid form, which I'm going to talk about in a different video, the difference in your granular and your liquid applications and why the liquid is better. So hope that helps. Have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. Just remember simazine, prodiamine, and spectacle. Those are the 3 products that professionals use most often that are going to get you the best results. So let's know if you have any questions. Thanks.